I'm back with another Mani Monday. Today I'm doing a vertical ombre with these pretty pastel colours from Rossi Cosmetics. And again, I've started off with a peely base, and I'll go into that a bit more just in a sec. So I'm starting off as usual, out of the frame, putting on the base. There I am. Okay, yep, putting on the base, and I'll tap the colour onto one side of the nail. You'll see. I'll shift the camera again. And with this first, with my thumb, I had a bit of trouble with the base colour drying off too quick. So you see when I do this purple colour on it doesn't stick. So I go ahead and do another layer of base just to get that purple on. Okay, and as I go on to the next finger, I start off with the second colour that I had on my previous finger or thumb. So this one will be purple and blue. And so on and so forth. And I'm going to do 3 colours or 3 layers of this whole process. So as I was going to say, with the peely base, I've been experimenting with trying to get, I guess, the perfect amount of peely base to get it to last as long, or not as long as it normally does. I think I can get about at least 2 weeks without it popping off at all. But the issue is that when I do want to get the colors off, it doesn't come off as easily as I thought it would with a peely base. So I'm just trying to, with this Mani, I use 2 layers of the peely base and with a broader brush stroke, so it covered most of my nail, whereas with my previous Manis I only did a really thin strip down the middle. So I thought maybe I'd try a broader stroke, and hopefully that will come off more easier when I need it to come off. And an update to that, this is at 8 days in from when I shot this to when I'm editing now. All my nails are still intact except for my pointer finger, which popped off or started to peel off at day 2. So I've just got a different color on my pointer at the moment, and I'll let you guys know how all my other nails go when I decide to take the color off. Into my 3rd layer now. Oh no, I was just trying to fix up my thumb at that point. So I'm just putting the activator on and waiting that to dry, and I'm going to shape and buff. I thought I'd show you a bit of the process of how I go around shaping and buffing my nails. So this glass cuticle pusher I recently bought from Adiption. It's a local Australian brand that I think is located in Perth, and I saw this one and I saw that it had a really pointy end compared to the other one that I have, that the pointy end is kind of flat. So I found that this one works really well for what I need it to do when it comes to my cuticles. I still use the other one though when I'm doing my cuticle sort of nail prep before a mani. And these buffing blocks are also from Adiption nails. Here it is all buffed. I think I'm going to sanitize my nails, and then I'm going to go and put in a glossy top coat. I actually like how this one turned out because it wasn't as thick as my previous application, so loving that. And now I'm putting on the cuticle oil, and this one is from Rossi Cosmetics. I always try to get under my nails as well. Just cleaning up the cuticles. The oil helps me to dislodge some of the dried on powders on my skin. And there they are. I hope you guys liked watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!